Also, one quick announcement. If you're using any of these WordPress themes and you need web hosting, I definitely recommend Hostinger. Hostinger offers some of the best pricing in the industry, and all these themes are fully compatible with Hostinger hosting. Hostinger offers the best quality web hosting at the most competitive pricing. You can start by getting a year of hosting for about 30 bucks. If you use my coupon code Daryl10, you'll save an additional 10% off any of Hostinger plans, no matter how long you sign up for. Next up, the Elementor Royal Kit. If you guys like to use the Elementor page builder, then this theme might be for you. This theme is 100% dedicated only to Elementor. In fact, they don't have any theme customization options except for the basic defaults for this theme. So let's explore this theme a bit and see why it's different. Now, when you first install the theme, you'll be prompted to install their plugin, the Royal Elementor add-on plugin. This essentially gives you all the features, and it also integrates with the theme. When you first install the theme, you'll be able to search various elements and template kits. They have about 30 kits, and they look pretty good. These are fully completed websites that you can import on your websites. The Elementor Royal Kit also comes with 50 plus new elements for the Elementor page builder. Some of these are available in the Pro version of Elementor, and others are unique, like an Instagram feed or image hotspot. When using Elementor, you'll have access to import pages and blocks with the Elementor page builder. Many of these are in the Pro version, but there are still a good amount you can use in the free version. One noticeable feature in the style section is the ability to add particles and parallax to every background. This allows you to make some creative landing pages using these elements. In the Advanced tab, you'll be able to use the Sticky section to make any element sticky. You can also use custom CSS using the Royal Add-ons plugin. Now, what makes this theme really unique? Well, it's their own custom theme builder. You'll be able to make custom headers, custom footers, custom archive pages, custom single post pages, custom product pages, and custom shop pages, all using the free theme builder. However, if you want specific conditions for each section, then you'll need to upgrade to the Pro. If you're not familiar with the theme builder allows you to build custom parts of the website and display them with specific conditions. The theme builder overrides the theme settings, allowing you to add any section you want on your websites. This is great because it doesn't limit you to the basic WordPress defaults and helps you get more creative when you build your websites. While creating a custom header, you'll also have the option to create a mega menu using all of the Elementor elements in the free version of this WordPress theme. As far as WooCommerce goes, the theme builder also supports creating custom product pages from scratch. You'll have a list of elements where you can design the shop page or any page you would like using the custom elements. You'll have a list of elements where you can design the shop page or single product page using the custom elements. However, you can only have one in the free version. If you want multiple product pages, then you'll need to upgrade to the Pro. You'll also be able to make your own custom pop-ups in the free version of this WordPress theme. However, if you want specific conditions, you'll also need to upgrade to the Pro. The Pro version does come with many extra features at your disposal. It comes with more than 90 plus elements for the Elementor page builder. It also lets you use the theme builder on all aspects of your website and gives you access to the conditions. It also comes with other various extensions that are only included in the Pro version. The Pro version is fairly affordable. If you want the Pro version, that'll cost you about 40 bucks a year. And if you want white labeling, you need to get the Expert plan, and that'll cost you 50 bucks a year. I would give this theme a solid 9 out of 10. They offer a lot of value in the free version. Next up, we have the